Hi guys, hi family, Tanya here. Welcome to Posh Plants and Garden. Today we're going to fertilize our collard greens and cabbage plants because we're about to get a freeze in the next 2 days. I haven't fertilized in probably 3 weeks, so I'm going to use some 511 because hubby already turned off the water to the spigot, so I have to water by hand. So I got some 511 in here, a fish emulsion, and we're going to go on and fertilize. And then they have a couple of days, they'll get beautiful sun, and then it's going to be like 19 and 20 degrees. Now hubby took like a few of the plants, put them in the greenhouse, so we're going to see how my greens and collards survive how it survives the freeze in the greenhouse as opposed to just covering them up outside. Okay, that's 2 gallons. And then I'm going to have to go into the, do the same thing at the grow table. This is the time to go in and remove any dead or damaged leaves. Like that. I don't mind my greens growing slow. It's in the fall. They grow pretty slow, but they're growing. So when it gets like at freezing, I have this cover here and I just pull that over them. I just keep it in here. Okay fam, I just made up 2 more gallons of fish emulsion and we're going to fertilize everything on the grow table. It's going to probably take about 8 gallons for everything. Okay, so I gotta do this about 4 more times. Okay, fam, now I'm in the greenhouse and I got my, don't forget I had celery. Celery's doing well. It's been in here probably a month. And it's on that cart. So I'm going to fertilize my collard green. Hubby's put these in here. I don't know why. He's like, let's make sure to see, you know, how they do in here. So now I'm going to, I got some 511, 2 gallons. Fertilize them. I really wanted them to get this 60-degree weather today, the sunshine, but you know, while he's home and able to do it, you know, he was nice enough to help bring these plants inside. Because I wasn't going to do it. You know me, I just cover everything. And thanks for supporting Vlogmas, guys. We're a few days away from Christmas, so I'm going to be harvesting leaves off of all of these plants. Got my fig trees in here. They still have green leaves on them. I've never grown fruit trees before, so just gonna keep them in here all. I even see some sprouts coming on. So I'm gonna keep them in here all winter long, and then in the spring we'll take them outside. I'll fertilize them and treat them like I know how. See how they do. Celery's doing good. They're getting thick. Smells wonderful. Okay, so then I go around and pick any spent leaves. no pest damage. Here are just undesirable leaves, and I'll just let them compost. Okay guys, so thank you so much for joining me. This is how I protect my plants. If you have a good day before a freezing day, get out, and I get out and I fertilize and prune any dead leaves, any bad leaves, give them some more energy. And if it's going to freeze, I like to protect them. They're in half of my items are in the half of my plants are in the greenhouse, and then we have the rest of them out there, and I'm going to cover them with plastic and some row cover and let it ride out the freeze. And when the freeze is over, I'll uncover everything and let them get the sun and the rain. All right, thank you so much for joining me today, my Posh Petals. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. Like I said before, if you're new here, hello and welcome. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe, hit the like button if you like content like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye guys.